Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Bagus Setiawan channel, which is a technology and electronic channel. So today we try to repair Toshiba LED televisions, and the television series is 24P 2301 VJ, and as we can see that the item is still shielded by factory. And let's try to turn on the televisions. Now we can see that indicator red is mean like a standby system. Try to start by push the manual button on the televisions. Now we can see that the indicator changed into the yellow or greens. It's mean like the television is start on or oscillations, but there is no picture appear on these screens. So without further ado, let's try to fix it. Now we can see the inside the television component. There are like a power supply. The function on this board is for voltage supply for the main board, and the main board function is for audio video processor. So the first thing that we have to do is we check the component, the physics of component and the circuit of boards. And I have found so many crack on the component legs, like this, the crack component leg, and this, and this. The solution is we have to resolder all the crack component on this board. Maybe it was made the power supply or power board cannot maximum. So in the second steps, let we try to check the voltage. The first we have to check and see the text on the power port. Okay, I will zoom. For check the DC voltage, we use like an avometer, and then we put the avometer in the 200 DC volts, and the black wire of avometer put on the ground, and the ground circuit like this. So let's turn on the televisions. Now is the television is turned on. Now based by the data that on the pin number 1 is ground and pin 2, 3 and 4 is 12 or 13 volt. Now we can see that the voltage in the pin number 2, 3, 4 is normally, and then we move to pin number 5 is ground, and then we move to pin number 6 and 7. It should be a 5 voltage DC. No, it's showing a 5 voltage DC. It's mean a normal, so it's meaning that the basic voltage in the power supply is normal. So and the third step, we check the backlight inside the televisions. So in the next step, we have to check on the T-con VCC or T-con voltage. In this pin, we can see that there is data or information. The voltage is show 12 DC volt. Still connect the backlight cable, and we still connect the all cable in this point. Yes, there is a 12 volt DC, and then I try to open the backlight like this. We can see there is two backlights, and one backlight consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED light. The one light is need a 3 volt DC, so 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's mean like we need 18 DC voltage for the test this backlight. Okay, let's test. I just setting on a 17th. Let's check the backlight conditions with the power supply. No, we can see that the backlight is okay. The backlight condition is okay. Now we test the others. Same. We can see that all the LED light is on. There is no one broken LED in this circuit, so it's mean that the backlight is okay. So guys, after a few hours, I try to searching what the problem is, and then finally I found that in this pin on the PL on and PWN pin, there are voltage were shaking, so that's why the backlight was blinking or flashing, and the voltage source of PL on pin and PWN pin is from mainboard. So and then I try to check all the voltage in the mainboard were normal. And then I check on the IC memory that the signal source from PL on and PWM is connected in the pin number 1 and pin number 2 of IC memory. So and then I replace the IC memory. This is the original, and I have replaced with a new one, and I try to flashing the IC memory with the new software, and then the TV can start on normally. The number of IC memory is 25Q164. I will give you a simple way how to check the mainboard voltage. First, you just focus on this component and this component. This component, the name of this component is inductor. and inductor, and is always near with the regulator IC. Function of this block is for a step down from the high voltage to be the low voltage. Same with this, there is a inductor and IC is near. The function is a regulator. The function is for a voltage source, the main AC. In the standby condition televisions, it should be there is a 5 voltage DC. Yes, there is. In the start conditions, should be there is 5. In the other inductor, should be there is a 1.2 or closer. This is a 1.15. It's mean normal. This voltage is for the main IC. And then in the VCC IC memory, in the pin 8, in this memory, it should be there is a 3.3 or 3.2 DC voltage. Now you can see that there is a 3.3. Okay, and then we check in front of the television, in the television screens. And finally now TV normal again. I think that's all for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe how to placing the IC memory I will show in the next times. Okay guys, have a nice day. See you later.